Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. Today I'm preparing rice pancake, and here are our ingredients. We have rice, a half a kg, which I soaked it the whole day. We have coconut milk, sugar, cardamom powder, baking powder, and yeast. So first of all, start by adding your rice and your coconut milk into a blender. Add your sugar, add your cardamom powder, and add your yeast, then blend it. So after blending, we have our mixture here. So after that, you can cover it for 30 minutes, then it can be now ready to be cooked. So it's time to cook our rice pancake. So we have our rice pancake here. If you did enjoy my video, kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.